to my channel, and if you're new, I am so happy you found us. I'm Lisa, and this is Creativity and Inspiration. Today, we are doing something really fun. If you're celebrating Christmas, you've been putting up trees, and I have several. I have a big main tree, which is behind the camera, and it has all of my family's ornaments that we've bought over the years since my first child was born. And then I have some little ones. You can see the bottom of the pink one up there. I have another 2-foot tree, and those have vintage ornaments. But I wanted to give you an idea of how you could decorate them to maybe give as a gift or to reflect who you are, because I think it's really important for us to share something about ourselves in our homes and when we're decorating our trees. Now, the really cool thing is the trees that I'm about to show you, you could leave up all year because they totally represent who you are. And I'll give you an idea. We're not going to use a 2-foot tree because I don't have another one, and I couldn't find one. I guess it's a shortage of 2-foot trees right now. So I'm going to use this little bitty tree right here on my table. It's big enough to show you the idea of what I'm talking about. I'm just going to take off all the little ornaments on here real quick. And like I said, this could stay out all year, and you're going to think I'm crazy, but once you see it decorated to fit different who you are, different hobbies, different things about you, you'll see that it is perfect for staying out all year. So let's just jump right into this and get started. Excuse the crows in the background. I have my doors open. It's a beautiful day in Southern California. Excuse my jogging pants. I am super comfy today, and let's just get started. The first hobby tree or things we love tree is going to be our vintage jewelry, our junk jewelry, our costume jewelry tree. And this is like really super fun. I don't know if you remember, I did a garage sale haul earlier this summer, and I got this big strand of pearls. And it is great to do on a 2-foot tree, but I'm going to make it work on this little tree as well, so you can get the idea. We're going to use these as tinsel to go around the tree and decorate it. And it is going to look so cute, but like everything else, it's all knotted. Oh no. So while I'm trying to get this out real quick, see it, where'd it go? Oh, and for those of you that don't know, I have an art channel that I just did put up a bunch of, I have an art channel that I just shared everything that is in my website, on my website, new stuff going up, so go check that out. I also have a Becoming Female channel, which is for just women everywhere and everything we deal with all the time, every day. And on that channel yesterday I posted, it's about all the stresses of the holidays and what we take on. So definitely go check that out. As well as I talk about I was being tested for MS. Well, I found out, thank goodness, I do not have MS, but I do have a brain tumor. So if you want to follow along with that journey, of course, go over to Becoming Female, because I will probably mention it a lot more on there than I will on here. Okay, so I have my pearls all separated. And pearls make great tinsel for trees. And there's one. Okay, and then I'm going to come in with this other one. And this one's a little long because, like I said, I had got it for, I was thinking a 2-foot tree when I bought it, but I don't have a 2-foot tree. So I'm going to show you how to do it on a little tree, and we'll just kind of have a little hanging off. And there you go. How cute is the pearls as tinsel, right? Now for the decorations, come in with some costume jewelry like earrings, old rings, pins, brooches, whatever you have. This is an old earring, and make sure they just stand out because this is what you love, right? So you want it to be beautiful. If you use old brooches, make sure you don't poke yourself because that hurts, trust me. And you can find a way to hook them all on depending, what you're using. I'm just using the pins as little slip-ons on the branches. Let's see. But I want to make sure all my pieces really pop and that they show up. So I'm picking a lot of silvers and golds and colors. If, you know, I had like a yellow or purple, whatever color costume jewelry I have, because I really want it to show. And you can put as much or as little on your tree because this is representing your hobby. No one else but you. That one's going to get lost. I'm not putting the green flower on there because it's going to get lost. I'm going to put this one. Okay. There you can see how beautiful a costume jewelry tree looks. It's pretty amazing. Now that's one idea. If you love jewelry, make yourself a jewelry tree. Okay, so say jewelry's not your thing. Maybe you want to use something else. What if you are a sewer? You can use sewing stuff. Tape measures make super cute garlands around your tree. And depending on how big your tree, depends on how many you need. You could use little spools with the different color threads as your decor on your tree. And you could use twine or ribbon to decorate them with. Just thread your twine through your spool like that. Tie it off and leave a big enough loop to hang it, of course. Double knot it so it stays on, and that's it. You get a cute little ornament by doing those simple things, and you can hang them on a branch. You could also use patches. You can buy patches for your jeans. Use the patches on your special tree. I'm using a ornament hook to kind of wrap around the patch, because the ones I have are super flexible. Okay, I just bent it around like that. And then you could hang patches on your tree too. How cute is that? And patches, you could even go to somebody that collects patches, or if they're a scout, it would be cute for somebody that graduated Eagle Scout. So that's another idea. If you didn't want to use a sewing measuring tape as your tinsel, you could also use strips of fabric around your tree. And you would cut them just to be as thin or as thick as your tree could support. And that would look cute as well. This one's a little big for this tree, but you get the idea. So that is for the sewer in your life. How cute, how fun is that? Or somebody that has a lot of patches and wants to display them. Your Eagle Scout. Another one is artists. Artists have gorgeous ornaments that they paint all the time, whether they're painting ceramic artists or ceramics or wood or little canvases. They have mini canvases. Those all look amazing too. The last one we're going to talk about is if you're a paper crafter or you have a paper crafter in your life and you want to give them a special tree, I've got some ideas for you. You know the large paper clips we make? Those can go on a tree and look super cute. Paper can go on a tree as ornaments. You can use an ornament hook, poke a hole in a die cut, and use that as an ornament on your tree. For tinsel, you can use your strips of fabric that you cut. I can't think of the name right now. Oh gosh, I'm sure I'll put it on the screen when I clue in. Again, use that as your tinsel. Cut them to the appropriate width. You can use stickers like this. Put a ornament hook on them and hang them on the tree. You can use flowers that you craft with, journal with. You can use beads that you would make a tassel with. You can use them on your tree as well. So it makes a great tree for the paper crafter in your life as well. Another great thing to do for the paper crafter or for the sewer in your life is to decorate safety pins and hang those on the tree as well. They will have a really cool look and do something really neat. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some ideas for a very personalized tree for your home or to give as a gift. If you did like this video, be sure and hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell so you'll know when new videos post, and give this video a thumbs up. Also, everybody down below in the comments, leave me a comment. What would your tree look like? What would it be? Would you be a sewer, a paper crafter, or something else? Also, please be sure and go over and give my art channel some love and my Becoming Female channel some love. I super appreciate it. Take care. I'll see you next time. Bye.